Not only do we focus on women today, but Jamaican food gets to share in the spotlight. Today is also being recognized as Eat Jamaican Day, an initiative launched by the Jamaica Agricultural Society to encourage Jamaicans to consume more local produce. I'm sure you've heard of growing what we eat and eating what we grow. In Hear This Today, we learn about the benefits of this initiative.
To grow what we eat what we grow is to create this as a culture of our everyday lifestyle and to help to reduce or decrease the $1 billion estimated that we are imported in food each year. It also serves as an initiative to establish a framework for food security and food independence for our nation as we seek to aggressively reposition the agriculture sector and rural development as the lifeblood of the Jamaican economy and the pillars on which we as a people and as a country will achieve economic independence. As a result of the campaign, we have increased our domestic crop production for food. The farmers have increased substantially the quality of the produce. We are now self-sufficient in a number of crops. We are now producing 90% of our demand to fill the consumption. We are self-sufficient in eggs, chicken, pork. Our school feeding programs no longer rely on imported milk powder, but we are now using local juices, which is more healthier for our children. It is hoped that with the support of consumers, policymakers, and the farmers, that this campaign will result in greater consumption of Jamaican agricultural produce that will increase local food production as well as enhancing the Jamaican branded products to ensure consistency in supply.